Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. And of course, we're here on another Scoop School field trip, International Edition. We are at the beautiful Rimini Fiera for the 2025 SIGEP show. Now, we've had a lot of build up here, and we're going to take you in this video at least and kind of just give you a quick tour of what's happening. Hopefully these videos are kind of inspiring you to perhaps, I don't know, join us in 2026. In any case, we're going to give you the lay of the land on this video, new concepts, vehicles, new flavors, everything in the ice cream world basically is introduced, is launched right here at this event. So come with us and we're going to show you a little bit around the SIGEP show here at Rimini Fiera. Now, ice cream lovers, tickets are around about 50 to 70 euro to the show. And the North American Ice Cream Association can get you the tickets for free if you keep an eye on the show website. Again, we talk a lot about it at ConeCon every year. You can buy tickets on site on both sides of the main concourse here. You've got Biglietti tickets. Now, I will tell you that the show has a buyer's program. If you are a supplier to the industry, if you've got like multiple units, I'm talking about 5, 6, 7, 10 or more, then the buyer's program basically means that the Italian government will fly you here, pay for your accommodation, and you need to have a certain amount of meetings during the show in order to justify that. But if you're an industry professional growing, there's no reason why you can't get a free ticket, at least ticket here. That's the kind of lowdown here on the ticket situation. Now, this is kind of the main hall here. It's the hub of SIGEP, the beautiful big SIGEP sign. You've got to get your picture taken in front of the SIGEP sign. Everyone lines up for that. If I stood there all day and charged €1 per click, I'd be a rich man. You've also got your info point here. Again, all of the show guides, timetables, the floor plans, everything is here. So from this point here, you've got basically halls going this way, halls going that way. Pretty well everything on this side of this info point is gelato. Gelato, ice cream, equipment, mixers, toppings, cups. And then down here, you may not have the connection point in your business, but you've got coffee, you've got bakery, you've got chocolate, which is well worth the visit. And we're going to pop down there and have a look. But anyway, this is where you're going to start your SIGEP journey. Now, let me tell you, if you're fortunate enough to be a buyer, meaning that you're a supplier to the industry, or you've got multiple locations, and I'm talking multiple 10 plus, you can get an invitation to be a delegate or come as a buyer. A lot of great things happening in the buyer's lounge. So if we come this way, you'll kind of see a lot of international delegates. Oh, look what we got here, a bit of an Australian flag, close to home. This is basically where a lot of the international delegates meet, do their work. There was a US flag in here somewhere. Here we go. No, that's not it. Where is the flag? Oh, there she goes. There she goes. We should put that near the Australian flag. Anyway, delegates meet in here, and the beauty is they provide meals. The security here, don't think you can just kind of walk straight in, because these guys here will tackle you to the ground. There's no getting past my friend here.
You are a good man. I love you.
The people here are just so good. There's free Wi-Fi, they put on meals. You get to coordinate with a lot of other international people who are buyers and so forth. Great way to visit the show and see a lot of new products, meet new people. Now, ice cream lovers, I know you might not be doing chocolate in your business, but look, we all have a touch point of chocolate at some point or other. I was going to take this chocolate thingo and just dip it into this cake, but someone's giving me the stink eye over there. Anyway, if it's worth an extra day or even half a day to walk around and have a look at the chocolate side of things, it's going to blow your mind. Chocolate making, chocolate infused. You've got chocolate art, the most amazing things done with chocolate. So, hey, consider maybe adding a line of beautiful decorative chocolate, supplement your ice cream line. Let me tell you, a half day here in this hall will absolutely blow your mind. They take their bakery very seriously here in Italy. There's a whole basically hall here dedicated to bakery. Now, of course, you've got these beautiful donuts here. However, anything from bread, patisserie, focaccia, anything you want to do with bakery, it's here. Again, you might be saying, Steve, I'm not in the bakery business. I don't even sell any bakery. That's okay. Having a walk around here may inspire you as to some of the things that you can do in your ice cream shop. Now, ice cream lovers, if you don't get the samples that you think is going to sustain you throughout the day, there are pretty good places to eat here. A couple of little food courts here. You've got your standard coffee, cakes, sandwiches kind of thing. I would suggest not get a big breakfast, stock up on a couple of apples and things and walk around the show. Time is money, you see. If you feel as though you have to have a break, there's lots of places around where you can just take a load off, have a focaccia and a coffee, and then back to it. And ice cream lovers, this is the busiest intersection of the entire complex. Right here, the entrance to the Gelato portion of the show. I don't know how many halls there are here, like 7 or 8, 9, 10. Chock-a-block full of gelato stuff. Equipment, mix, toppings, cups, flavors, the whole box and dice. This is probably where you're going to spend the majority of your time in this hall. Honestly, if you wanted to kind of walk around all of the stands, you've got to at least give yourself 2 days just for this. So it's a 5-day show. Again, you might want to do 2 or 3 days here in the gelato side, dedicated day over the other side. Look, it's up to you, but there's everything happening here ice cream wise in this hall behind me. Look, ice cream lovers, and if you're important enough, you'll get to sit right up here on the main stage. They do the grand opening from here, they do the closing from here. Some of the biggest influencers in the ice cream world have actually sat on this stage, maybe even in this seat. This is the dome. So a lot of competitions happen here, a lot of presentations. Good to be able to situate yourself here because a lot of new releases, a lot of things are launched here right at the show in these very seats. Well, ice cream lovers, there you have it. Another crackerjack edition of this show. You really do need to make plans if you are either wanting to get into the business, if you're in the business. Look, even if you wanted to basically just kind of check out what's happening in the world of ice cream, gelato, coffee, bakery, it's right here at the SIGEP show. Now, we're going to have a lot more details in the show notes here of next year's event. Look, we might put a team together and have everybody come out. I think it's going to be well worth your money. Hey, A, it's a tax write-off. B, you're going to have this incredible experience. And C, you can always tack off a little bit of R&R on the end of the trip. So many things to do in and around Europe. The rail line is incredible. You can fly a hop, skip, and a jump anywhere here for as cheap as chips. Thanks for joining us. Again, all the information on the show for this year and next year will be in the show notes. As we always say, I don't know what it is to say keep on scooping in Italian, but I'm going to say keep on the scooping. We'll see you in the next video.